What's up, homies? It's your girl J Cows, and let's get the cooking. We are cooking garlic parmesan air fried chicken wings. What I have here, I have my chicken wings. They have been sitting in a brine. It was a quick brine, but it's a brine because we want that flavor down to the bone, baby. Alrighty, and now we're going to go ahead and batter them up. Let's go. Now, I also have my flour in the bowl. We will get to the steps of that. I have an empty bowl as well because we're going to put something inside of here, which is going to help make some crispy chicken wings in your air fryer. Let's go. Go ahead right now. Click share. We're going to start with, again, our beautifully brined chicken wings. And we're going to put them into our bowl here so we can season them up. I love to brine when I have time because it gets that flavor all the way down to the bone. And you know with chicken wings, you're going to eat it all the way down to the bone. All right. Yes. This was a quick brine. I just used a little salt, pepper, a little bit of light brown sugar, and I added thyme. Just a little light, little something, but that flavor gonna be there. You hear me now? You hear me? All right. See, grab some of the extra stems off. Take it on out here. Looks good. Alrighty. So now, go ahead, take one of those little leaves off here, and we're gonna go ahead and season our chicken. All right. So now we can go ahead and season the chicken. I'm going to add some adobo. Here. Okay. Next, I have black pepper. Oh yeah, baby. Then I'm going to add some garlic powder. Go a little heavy on it because we're making what again? Garlic parmesan chicken wings. Yeah, you are correct. All right, so let's go ahead and throw in some paprika. And little coriander. I love coriander. I do. And a tad bit of Creole seasoning. Literally just bam, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and mix this baby up. Make sure you know, love on your chicken, everyone. Love on your chicken. Massage your seasoning on in. All right. Beautiful. Now, we're going to go ahead and bring our flour on over. So we have flour. We're going to add a half a tablespoon of baking powder. Or I'm going to add a tablespoon of baking powder. There we are. And we're going to do another 2 tablespoons of a cornstarch. Okay? We're going to combine all those inside of a bowl. We're going to go ahead and add a little adobo. You want to add seasoning into every dip for the batter, just a little bit, but it definitely makes a difference. Now inside of here, I'm going to add a little bit more spice. So I did add adobo, pepper. I'm going to go ahead and pour out some of the paprika in that flour there. And I want to make sure we have that garlic, so I'm going to add a little bit more garlic powder. Go ahead, take your whisk and whisk it on away. Okay. We have our next bowl. We have our egg whites. And all we're going to do is shake that baby up. Shake. And open it on up here. All right, baby. And we're going to go ahead and pour some of that egg white in there. Bam. All right. You ain't got to overdo it, but do it, baby. And inside of here, we're just going to add some of that adobo. And, yes, you guessed it, black pepper. And a tad bit more garlic, okay? And use our whisk. And whisk away, okay? Beautiful. Alrighty, so that's mixed all in. Now let's get to the fun part. All right, let's go. Back. Let me tell you all, I already started recording. I said, oh man, I had a phone call come through and it stopped recording. So let's go ahead and get started. You all almost missed out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my little gloves back on. Okay. Put gloves back on. I'm so glad I seen it when I did. I was like, uh-oh. Okay, so I'm going to, these were already going to be finished. So I'm going to finish tossing that one actually. This messed me up, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna sit it back over there in the egg wash. Those gonna be double crisp. So what we did after the eggs, I went on ahead and I brought everything back, baby. And what we're gonna do is we have our chicken. We are putting it inside of the flour. Going to add it in there just like you were cooking a regular fried chicken. But again, instead of buttermilk, we have our egg white wash. So we have the egg wash, and that's what I was doing. The bowl is full now, so I was transferring it back to the flour. But now you see what's going on. So you're caught up, okay? So again, you are going to let it drip because it was sitting in this bowl. You see it has a little liquid in there. You want for the air fryer, you do want them to remain as dry as possible. Okay, so let it drip. Put it in the flour. Toss that baby, toss that baby. Shake, shake, shake. Wham, bam it. You have your egg wash. Wham, put it in the egg wash. That's what we're going to do. Alrighty, so we're almost finished here. And I'm going to toss them inside of the smaller bowl with egg wash. I'm going to add them back inside of the flour, and we're gonna go ahead and fry these babies up. Y'all just wait. Y'all in for a treat. This is how you do it, man. Y'all know I was gonna find a way. If I'm not gonna have fried food anymore, oh, I'm still gonna have what I want though. There's no way I'm sacrificing that crisp of a fried chicken that I'm used to when I'm having fried chicken. No, we're gonna figure out a way. Okay, now I floured myself up. I'm getting a little bit too excited. I don't even know when that happened, but it's okay. All right. Wham. There we go. Toss. Bam. All right. All right, let's go. So again, we have wham. Let me pick it up a little bit so you can see that egg wash. And I'm just gonna toss them in, toss them over. It's all good. They're family. They love each other today. That's always great. We don't know about tonight. That's why we're gonna get this chicken cooked expeditiously. Because you know, family, we can't stay together all day like that. Not all day. This close together. Gotta count it by the hour and by the minutes. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and let it drip again because you want it to be what? As dry as possible. Alrighty, and I'm gonna add it back into the flour. And then we're gonna go ahead and preheat our air fryer on 375. I will show you my buttons. I love my air fryer. There's so many air fryers out. I have the Instapot Vortex and I freaking adore it. It is the best. But this again is the first one I've ever had. So I don't know, but it's the best to me. It works. I'm never disappointed unless I literally mess up. Like, you know, especially when you first get your air fryer, you know, you just try everything to see what works and what doesn't. That was fun. And a lot of wasted money, but it's all good. It's all good. That flour mixture, baby. Yes. Beautiful. Alrighty, now to the air fryer we go. To the air fryer we go. Let's do it. Okay. Alrighty, you see here, air fryer, click time. Going to up that till 20 minutes. I cook mine for 20 minutes. And for the temperature, wham bam it, click temp. And you're going to turn that baby down to 375. Alright. And you're going to click, I'm ready right now. Let's cook the chicken wings. Let's stop playing and let's cook the chicken wings. We have chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings. All right, so here we go. Wham. So here we go. We have our chicken again. And we have our air fryer. All right, so let's make our sauce here. So what we're going to have, yes, we're going to add butter, okay? You better judge someone else. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them. Make it a little bit easier for me. Let baby go ahead, melt down. Yes, I have more I'm gonna add. Here I have fresh garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and chop that garlic as well. Go ahead and add our garlic. Okay, more butter. Add some olive oil here. Now it's melting. We can go ahead, add a pinch of pepper. Gonna go heavy on that garlic powder again. Add a little fresh parsley in there. And that's it. And we just let this baby go ahead and simmer. That is all we need in this. All right. And let's get back to the chicken. Let's go check on it. And we ready. Let's check us out. All right. Let's toss these. Can you hear the sizzle? You hear that crunch? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. These are so good. Dipping in that ranch, baby. I'm telling you, you try this recipe, you will love me forever. Go ahead, take a moment, click like now, click share, show your girl some love. This is your girl, J. Kels. Until next time, homies. Peace. Well, that's a cute picture. Where's my thing? Until next time, homies.